My name is Doug Hawker. I'm from Manchester, Iowa. I think I first had the pleasure of meeting the people out here at Physical Therapy Solutions, back in 2016 when I was experiencing bad pain in my legs and hips due to an eventual hip replacement surgery. I came in early when I first started having pain symptoms, and folks here at the office really helped me out a lot. I came back then, again, just prior to my surgery in preparation for the surgery. I had my surgery in late 2016, and then they helped me get through the recovery. I subsequently been back when I had to have back surgery earlier this year, which was no fun at all. And so I came back at that point, and they again helped me get on an exercise program that helped me restore some of my strength and gave me the ability to literally stand up and sit down and lay down once again. And I'm looking forward to my upcoming second hip surgery, and I'll be back here again after that later this fall. One of the reasons I like coming to these guys is that they really do seem to take a personal interest in my individual well-being. I enjoy the company, the camaraderie, the joking around. Josiah's been my primary care provider, and he's done a wonderful job keeping me on the straight and narrow. I've also had Michelle work on me a number of times. I just, like I said, thoroughly enjoy actually coming in and bantering with the folks. We have great conversations. They've got some top-of-the-line equipment. I started coming to their old office, and now they're into their new environment here, their new office, and it's just really a pleasure to come here. So I'm looking forward to it again, even though I'm not looking forward to why I have to be here.